So the learning goals for month 1 are how habituation works and why your brain keeps tinnitus in focus, the role of neuroplasticity and how your brain can completely change its response to tinnitus, why the fight or flight response makes tinnitus worse, cognitive diffusion techniques to help you unhook from distressing tinnitus thoughts, because thoughts are just that, thoughts, and how mindfulness can reduce your emotional reaction to tinnitus. And together with that, we of course have guided exercises and videos to really help you step by step to learn all of this.